at first mangenza the only source of food bengithola esikolweni through feeding scheme. So mangibuye esikela shuthi ngidlile ngiqedile ngizohamba ngiyodlala nabanye abantwana and then ebusuku ngizolibele ngitrayisa until maybe lokho ngiyahamba ngiyolala kufika la sokufika khona ebusuku akulaleki sophethwe indlala akusalaleki sikukhalisisa uthongwa abukho. I had the idea ukuthi yazini the way bengenza ngakhona lapha endlini ngingayenza the same thing. Ngabona no ngikhone ngiphile kaso and then ngiyaqala ngibambe ijangele khona primary ngibambe ijangele and the way ngakhona mina angeke ngikuthuse angeke ngithi kuyo because mangizothi kuye ngizokwaza uzongithatha serious angeke ngithathe serious. Let's be honest. Mawufuna mawulwa nami bese ngithi hey Faith sihlukana nami ngizokwaza angeke ngithathe serious. So the only like into a reasonable thing to do mele ngikhipha umese ngokwazi. That's the only way. The more kwazi umuntu the more bulala indembeza and the more even the element of umuntu bomnyama iba ngaphathi sayisho amajite estrateni ukuthi nje mangiceda kushintsha isibamba ngamuthi twa ngezwe ukuthi manje inhliziyo yaba mnyama yabo ngaba mubi like leyo nto le ukuthi as soon as you do it you can tell ukuthi there was a trade off something meaning there's a significance.
Welcome to the Dope Show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show. Even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Gardner. Me, I do one story at the time and one testimony at the time. If you're new to the channel, where have you been? Please subscribe, press notification bell as well as join the membership, and also donate. Our details are shown after disclaimer. Please donate this festive December. We want to feed 20 families to give them food and also to give 10 kids to go to school. 10 children, school shoes. So they're going to go to school with brand new shoes. So please, your donation will help a lot. If you have a grocery, you can say, Chris, I'm bringing it to a studio. Or if you have shoes, we want to buy shoes, you can do that. And also, if you want to donate with money, our details shown after the disclaimer. Thank you so much to those who are doing that. We highly appreciate it. May the Lord bless you. Please subscribe, don't skip the ads, as well as share the episode, and also vote to www.sasmaaward.co.za. We are nominated as the best podcast of the year. The vote only costs R2.50, and also you can also buy our t-shirt, costs only R300. Yeah, grace upon grace. James, are we on grace or what?
Grace upon grace.
Yeah.
Grace upon grace.
We on grace?
We on grace.
Yeah, I'm with my brother right here.
Is he?
Got, yeah?
He looks familiar. He looks like I've seen him before.
He seen him maybe on a social media.
Nah, maybe.
No, I was here, remember.
Oh, he once came.
Oh, yes. Yeah, man.
But we never shot.
We never shot. Né?
Yeah, there were a lot of people. Then they said, he was late.
Yeah, man.
He got a testimony since he was a child, and he also went to jail, but God saved him, and he's here today. So he's here to share with us that testimony. Amazing. I love testimonies because there will be someone who's going through that journey, and when they see that, hey, maybe there's someone who went through worse experience, then you're like, hey, you get healed a little bit, and you're like, hey, God is also watching on my side. That it's seen it clash.
We are on grace. It's God's time.
Ay, siyabulela mntakwethu, siyabulela. My brother, welcome to the show. Thanks for coming and showing up. I know you came last time and you didn't shoot, and you said, Chris, I won't give up, I'll come again, and you'll hear my testimony. Please greet the viewers at home, as well as give us your background and how the journey started.
Okay, mfethu ngiyabonga and ngiyabingelela nonke egameni lenkosi lomsindisi wethu Jesu Christ. First ngingubhuti wamagama u4. Namagama u4 neibongo. I think ibongo zam okay, thingithi ziyi2. Elinye igama uThabiso this is for my adoptive family. Thabiso Lucas Wakanach. That is my adoptive family. And then lasekhaya engiphiwe mama uSifiso Terence baba wakasibeko. So ngokuzalwa ngizalelwa eNorthwest kunenye indawo between Electimberg neMahikeng. Mahikeng ikasilaka Casper University. Between that kune small village bathi Shila. Mangizwa I was born lapho. Ngizalwa uma wami, and what happened was uma wami ifamily yakhe phuthe away baye bamxosha bathubulele ugogo wakhe. So that time mama mbekakhulelwe ngami. Bathubulele ugogo wakhe. Then what happened, I think she was young kwayena uma wami. So wahamba waya somewhere already bekano sisi wami ana mina bengi second born the time abamxosha kubo bengi second born bekasayenzile bekasakhulelwe ngami. So wathola wangithola later on, I don't know, after isikhathi singakanani sekakhulelwe sekanubhuti wami. And then what she did was waya another village not far from where we stay, but something like maybe within 10k distance. And then magafika lapho lo muntu lo bekumngani wakhe wasetshwaleni. They won't understand the story ngakhona. So what my mom did, wangishiya kulo muntu umngani wakhe wasetshwaleni, and she ran away, and then she never came back. And then that's where my journey actually started, because at that time bengisasumntwana, but I remember vividly bengihamba noma wami, the next thing akasekho, and then the next thing sengisele nale family le. And then I think maybe ungabona na inhloko yami mawuyibheka mawungayibheka ngineka, and then most of them ngithole ngisasumntwana, because ngathi what happened ngizozama ukuyibeka ngendlela ehloniphekayo. Ngathi what happened, lo sisi lo ukuthi mama baleke angishiye beka suspect ukuthi mama amhere na affair nendoda yakhe, because lo sisi lo bekahlala nendoda yakhe nomntana wakhe umusi ongangami. So lo sisi lo bekathi njalo mababuye etshwaleni afika ngishaya ngwana sifebe makhona njela mona mina umntana esifebe umama wakho bekangidlela indoda. That's how my journey started. And it's like lo sisi lo ugcine bekana umntana entombazana ongangami. So baba nomunye umntana omncane besimbiza uMatamati, and then bebaphila impilo yaseBhareni. Like every day bebavuka ekseni bahambe bayeBhareni, bebashiya nalentombazana mele sibabysit. And then while sibabysit mele senze sishintshana. Umunye itsida kuhamba mina ngeBhareni ngiyobutha ama box wama cartoon, kuna la cartoon la bebawaphuza umaxoko kwe77 and stuff, bekwama cartoon nyana. So we would go, itsida kuya mina ngiyobutha lama box wama cartoon so that sizokwazi ukupheka, yabona, sizokwazi ukudla. And mababuye endlini etshwaleni laba abadala bazofika bafuna ukudla. So mina I think I was a bit older kancane nentombazana, but we were almost ngathi the same age. So magafika she will but keep ama frustrations wakhe kimi, because thola ukuthi asiphekanga kahle. Sometimes ipapa lishile, sometimes besipheka ipork, ingulube yasekhaya le emnyama, iqinile even nenkukhu yasekhaya le emnyama mangabe besipheka yona, because bebanemfuyo bebanengulube nenkukhu. So sometimes sibulala inkukhu kumele siyenze ukuyipheka ngama box wama cartoon. You can imagine ama box wama cartoon sipheka ipapa bekuna amapoto estove. No, ama-cartoon besiwayenza as umlilo, the source of a fire, instead of besingathezi inkuni, besiyotheza ama-box.
Just to make a fire, we use
to make a fire. Ngi-explainanga kahle lapho. So sometimes ukudla kuvuthwa sibancane. I think maybe if besibadala, I think besina 7, 8 around that age.
That to make fire and to cook pork.
Sipheke ingulube, sipheke into. And then mababuya obvious mabathi badla ukudla kuvuthwanga. She'll be frustrated and aqale lapho angishaya inhloko nani. So uphile leyo life le for a longest time, and then that's where the family Kanach, hence ngisebenzisa isibongo uNach, that's where the family Kanach came into the picture. So bona bekuyi family ukuthi they were related no sis, so they wanted a shepherd boy, umfana uzobalusela. And then that's where they took me. It wasn't a formal or an official arrangement, because remember ngufana nokuthi ngumntana olahliwe, because my mom uze beka umngani wakhe. Ufana nokuthi let's say la eDobsonville umama uyahamba, let's say maybe uyapi, let's say eJabulani, uyeJabulani, and then eJabulani afika athola umngani uyazi ukuthi umama uhlala ngase ngase Dobsonville but akazi I don't know whether bekazi exactly ukuthi umama uhlala but what happened ukuthi umama ugcina ashiya umntana wakhe eDobsonville lena wasezona and then makaceda akasabuyi so sokufana ukuthi ngumntana ongistake nale family engangifuni so that's where now they were able to ukuthi bank trade not trade in bangiphe for a family kanahe because family kanahe wanted a shepherd boy. That's how I was taken to family kanahe and I was groomed to be a shepherd boy. Yabon bengilusa izimvu and it was only after 1994 the children's rights masekufika the laws ukuthi now they were forced to take abantwana esikolweni because mina ngiqala isikole ngina 11 sengemdala because remember the purpose of the family to take me in was to be a shepherd boy and then that's all they wanted so ngikhulela lapho but the interesting thing about my journey umamam this is now my biological mom and not my biological my adoptive mom Kanach I called her umamam beka umuntu osebenza she was into African spirituality but more of law bebathandazela abantu aqoka isiphika and then asebenzisa insimi esilver batiliri yabona beka sebenzisa amanzi bengasisa ngoma phese but yena bekathandazela abantu kakhulu beka specialize ngabantwana nabantu abangekho right enhloko so I want to think that's where my spiritual like observation started from in terms of journey because ngiyakhumbula himbe ngimgubhela imithi she will send me ukuthi ngimgubhela imithi and then bengazi back then ukuthi why beka umuntu anama flower kakhulu athanda ingadi and then she'll only want me ukuthi kube yimi enginusela ama flowers wakhe bekana okay kana because manje ngokomthetho as we speak namanje ngumntana Kanach everything eyami ibiza ukuthi ngumntana Kanach even my ID yonke into namanje so kufana nokuthi Kanach umama nobaba bebana abantwana babantu khona usisi Magugudi and then nomunye ushonile nobhuti Mpako and then noLerato and then kube mina and then kube uGutlwethu mina according to the arrangement in terms of the law nana bekufana ukuthi I was their fifth child yabona and then lethule laba badala bese bashadile and then ubhuti wahamba wazohlala la bekahlala la eNaledi and then kwasala mina and my two adoptive sisters nomama sen ubaba bekumuntu bekakha izindlu so he used to go around so basically him sekumfana waseJardin yabona so that's how that whole thing life yami iqale ngakhona and then after 1994 masengimele bangise esikolweni okay ngicale ngasha la mawungabheka la ithema ngisha so bangithatha esibhedlela bangise clinic so they had to make a file so that's why they had to say uThabiso Naghe yabo bathi uThabiso Naghe bangabhalisa into eclinic and then later on after 1994 masimele bakumele ngiye esikolweni sengimele ngibangise esikolweni they had to ukuthi bangenzele identification olalo bengumntana ongena identification I'm not sure for what reasons umama she doesn't appear anywhere there's no legal document that links me to mama that says mina ngumntana ka mama or ka baba hence bakwazile ukuthi bangenzele idocumentation identification kungathi ngumntana abo yabona that they had to take me by ngale card lase clinic bayongibhalisa ngikhumbula lezi zinto because bese ngimdala yabona bayongibhalisa ka home affairs bangenzele a certificate birth certificate and then basho ukuthi okay before lekama le lamles for uLucas ngilithola kanjani before esikolweni bangiregister ngencwadi yase clinic uThabiso Naghe kuphela so during yazi ngombu January kunalento yema sports yabo so kwenziwa ima sports so bengiparticipate ku sports so ngizwe bonke abantu abaselayinini babafika bababuza igama bambuza igama lakho umuntu makasho ukuthi himu let's say maybe himu Chris himu Ponzo igama lesilungu athi Chris so mina nginegama eliwani kuphela nguThabiso hey ngihleze I'm thinking yo because mina ngaleso sikhathi I want to participate kuyabona mawuphuma ngijwayele mina shepherd boy impilo yami yonke ngilusiza imvu ngiyahunter so manje I was craving for that lento leyo ukuthi ube part of the social system now ukwazi ukuhlala nabanye abantwana uphila impilo enormal njengabanye abantwana because impilo yami yonke ngiyalusa siyaliswa le abobhuti bayasiqhatha silwe hunting that's the thing engiyazi so ngathi ayisala anginagama lesilungu mhlambe bayong disqualify ngacabanga on the spot kunomunye umfana besikhula naye uLucas ngicabanga on the spot mangifika kimi bangibuza bani igama la ngithabisa bathe linye lesilungu ngathi Lucas. That's how I got igama Lucas. So ngayenzani mangiproducer the only source of identification benginayo bekuyikhatlase clinic and elithini ngithi nguthabisa avele ngabhala umunye uLucas omkhulu yazi phela ngisase primary ngabhala umunye uLucas omkhulu amfaka la ngampinyisa so umama later on basebayongenzela ka home affairs they had to ukuthi balifake legama lelo umama I remember she had to buy code bambuza ukuthi mara no le khatlase clinic libhaliwe lo Lucas omkhulu kangaka and then umama wa explain lo mntana lo angazibeka kanjani but okay so sebenzisa le card amagama sekhatheni uThabiso Lucas Naghe then that's how I became uThabiso Lucas Naghe ngafunda isikolo ke and then later on bengenza grade 3 ubaba wathi ngiyeke isikolo because angisayenza ama responsibility wami ukulusa remember ngizela ekhaya ukuthi ngizoba umelusi and then manje since ngumntana esikolo sengumuntu ukuthi manje ngenzane angisalusi ngiparticipate ku soccer ama sporting activities wasesikolweni and then the arrangement was ngizoya esikolweni as soon as isikolo siphuma ngibuye ngizo relieve sebathola umunye ubaba okuhlala khona local uzogada izimvu while mina ngiyoyenza so ugcina lo baba lotho ukuthi sometimes ngibuya late and stuff bangiyekisa isikolo and mabangiyekisa isikolo bangenza grade 3 that's when now my biological sister usisi wami lo ngithi umama Nyamlama she showed up and then and then wangithatha sabuyela back to le village la ngithi ngizalelwe khona eShila so mangifika ngimthola bekahlala nomkhulu wami ngimthola uhlala nomkhulu wami umkhulu wami ngimbiza umkhulu wami because he's an uncle to umama and then usisi wami mina beka ku high school so mina mangizofika lapha yana bengazi nami umntwana I think due to my neglect nanan because bengumntwana ukuthi bathini unama bengifana ukuthi special care you understand because my ngibuyele nefamily yami umntana ongalazi uthando and then for the first time because mina umama amahlukane nami ngimncane but I knew like a family yami I knew sisi wami igama lakhe but the thing is mawuba ku environment so because my kule environment my adoptive family they will say ngumntana lapho so le nto enhloko yami bese ngathi yangiphazamisa in terms of ngiza like umntana la yabona because I was still young but I knew ukuthi umama mobani igama lakhe I knew baba wami igama lakhe I knew igama lika bhuti wami longilamayo and then igama lika sisi wami so okay sengibuyele ka sengihlala na biological family ngacala ngaba stud
Now you're comfortable everything you going to school.
Yeah, singibuyele okay ngibuyele futhi esikolweni bangifake sengiyabuyela ngiyachubeka khona primary ngicala khona lapho ukuganga ke. Ngacala sengiyaganga usisi wami the thing like bese ngistud lokho ukuthi ngiyamosha la endlini ngenzani so bagcina baba street emakhaya akuna ma butler doors ma butler windows so thola ukuthi bayangikhiyela bahamba nesikhiya so I would come ngiphule endlini uyabona like handle le window le exactly la ku handle bengishaya nje kancane ngivula imbobo ngifake ngivule ngene so ukuthi ngiyamosha ngiyapheka ukudla ngithatha utshontsha ukudla bagcine bangidisown and at that time ngisase primary ngenza grade 3 because ngi-repeat to grade 3 they had to disown me so sengiba umntana usengihamba ahlala khona ema villages ukuthi sengihlala lapha yana maybe ngihlala kule yandlu leyana ngihlala lapho and eventually ngicine sengiyenzana sengiba street kid because manje ngicine sengiba umntana umahamba ehlala because manje the treatment yazi mawufika emzini yabantu ufika uhlala the treatment will be obvious like bazwenzani so ukuthi basebenzisa wena kakhulu you have to work hard for a plate because basically into bengiyisebenzela bekuyiplate yabo so ngicina manje uyabona ukuthi usebenza kanzima ngcine ngidafok gcine sengifuna ukuziphilela sengiyenza izinto zami. That's when now I started to get into crime because at first mangenza the only source of food bengithola esikolweni through a feeding scheme. So mangibuye esikela shuthi ngidlile ngiqedile ngizohamba ngiyodlala nabanye abantwana and then ebusuku ngizolibele ngidrayisa until maybe lokho ngiyahamba ngiyolala kufika la sokufika khona ebusuku akulaleki sophethwe indlala akusalaleki sikukhala isisu buthongo abukho. I had the idea ukuthi yazini the way bengenza ngakhona lapha endlini ngingayenza the same thing ngene endlini zabantu ngiyotshontsha ukudla. That's how I started ukuphula ezindlini zabantu ngitshontsha ukudla, but from ukudla sengigcine sengitshontsha nama items manje iminyaka iyahamba sekuba into engiphila ngayo. Sisi wami sinokudlulana estradeni ngathi asazala. Oh, the other interesting factor ukuthi same village ngihambe kule village kababami ngihambe ngiyomitha ubabami mangifika ngimthola ubabami futhi bekahlele nezimpintshi zakhe kaso fike ngengene ngibulise sanibonane ngikhuluma isitswana at the time Dumelang sanibonane aphendule ngisho ukuthi okay bengifuna umuntu osongembize ngegama angibheka aphendula ngibuza wena ubani ngimtshele ngiyimi umuntu oso athi lo muntu lo yakekho la lo muntu lo yakekho hlala eGoli. Remember sikuphi sisemakhaya ngasenotwesta lo muntu lo yakekho usegoli and abantwana labafana engize nabashilo ukuthi awuloyana wentshebe unehwaca athi uloyana wentshebe awumakasho kanje obvious mina my interpretation of it ukuthi okay uyangiphika uyangireject like because vele uyasho ukuthi akusuye ubabami yena akekho ubabami uyosho ukuthi mina ngikho ngisegoli yabo abo in my head ngithi na should uyangireject umjita uthi akusubabami. I think era lento part of ienga nalento ukulose hope unyana because all along joba ngilibele ngikhozuka la umama ngishiye khona nokuba umelusi benginaleyo nto leyo ukuthi nami I believe ukuthi impilo yami izoba ngcono mhlambe mangiba connector back to my family because I will see abanye abantwana ubaba bayabalwela sometimes isiganga C4 masiganga C4 makuza abantu afuna ukushaya wena ubaba khuzoza afuna ukuphakama phakamele lo muntu lo ufuna ukushaya gcine kushawa mina sengimele ngithathe induku yawo wonke umuntu manje mina because mina no one is there to stand for me. I must stand up for me. Sometimes nabo mama will say yeah lo huyo gangisa. Remember mina kuleyo village enguyo joba ngikuma adoptive family kufana nokuthi I'm a foreigner because umntana ulandwe kwenye village yabona. So there was always the treatment leyo nanoma silo ukuthi mina ngilwa nontanga mangilwa nontanga mashaba sengimshaya la wena ngoba uyasika slakhe ukhule naye uzofuna ukwenza ngathi uyakhuza ungibambe untanga avuka ngishaya yabona le nto leyo. So life was always hard for me mele yonke into mele ngilwele yabona and
create anger issue.
Yeah, I create anger and create analento leyo ukuthi you have to try hard to belong yabo, to try hard to make abantu back accept yabo. Mawufika sometimes I always look weird because angigqoke njengabanye abantwana ngama Christmas ngalesa sikhathi lesana ngeChristmas bekusahamba sicele yephi mapapuzi wathi akusakufani nakudala sihamba house to house sicele yephi yeah mina ngaleso sikhathi bekuyileso sikhathi leso sokusacela yephi. So uthola ukuthi mina ngikwazi ukucela yephi angina impahla zeChristmas sometimes if nginazo sometimes ngigcoke weird yabo. So leyo nto leyo made me ngicine ngiba ne self consciousness ukuthi okay ngiba self conscious ukuthi okay ngiyazazi mina ngihlukile kunawo wonke umuntu ngiyazazi ngi different ngiyazazi this about so kanjalo I have to work hard. But now after ubaba ngagcina I think nga give up ngaba nale nto le sense of give up fuck it thingenza into yami yabona because manje ngiyakhula. And one time mangisasele kuma adoptive family before ngiqala isikole I remember bengihlele e-toilet. So la bengihlele lapha ekhaya besebenzisa incwadi ukusula. So one time ukusula. So one time
ucela ama number nje.
So one time ngibheke incwadi like exercise book, so ngibhekile ngiyazibuza I wonder kubhalweni, and then I made a promise to myself, you know what, I want to study ngesikolweni ngifunde so that I can grow up ngazi and then take care of myself. So njengoba usisi wami sebangiceda after ngubaba maceda kungirejecta lapha, ngavele ngakhumbula le dama, when you made a promise to yourself that you will take care of yourself, do your thing, uyabona just do your thing. Gcine bangenza crime, sometimes usebenza emasimini, like noma yini engathi ikhona ukuthi ngisurvive ngiyenze, and then kula ngiqala ngaboshwa because manje ngicina ngitshontsha kwelinye idladla. Nakhona khabo umngani wami lo sisi osebenza bekasebenza somewhere, I think boma eRustenburg, so she came uzovisita ezaphetha ama cell phone for her first time. Semakhaya siyazi cell phone ezaphetha ama cell phone, and uza ka so vele mina lelo dladla bese ngilimakile ukuthi afandaga nyoba ngenela because bekuyi sport and then bane shop. So sengimakile sengiqedile ngiplanile ukuthi ngiyabangenela lo sisi afike namhlanje. Futhi bengazi ngize mina ngizomamela, mangimamela ngezwe lo sisuzile bayakhuluma ngiqaba ngishawa isikhathi. Sebahlezi kwabo ma10 manje abalale labantu ngithi ngishawa isikhathi phela. So what I decided to do, decide bekuthi kunethi imvula kuba ngathi kuvala amafu ngawisa ugesi, because ugesi wasemakhaya usually vele makunethi imvula wenzani uyawa. So ngavele ngawisa ugesi ukuthi balale, sengiyabalalisa ngenkani phela abasalale noma sekwabo ma11 ebusuku phakathi kweviki ngiwisa ugesi, and then ngezwe njengoba ugesi uwile sebasho imvula mangiceda ngophakamise ngihambe, sengiyacabanga ngiyazi bazolala ke ngihambe, and then ngabuya after 12 lokho ngabo past 2 mangibuya ngangena ngatshontsha amafoni ayi2 bekuyifoni enye enkulu, so ngatshontsha
ngene ngiyaqeza
bakhile ngiqekeza emakhaya. The thing is vulnerability abo was bebangena amabutler door, and bese yazi into mawuyenzisisa because manje mina ngina lenqondo leyo ukuthi I plan, like ngihlala phansi nanoma izinye izindlu nanoma mhlambe bane some sort of a security, I will find a vulnerability ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi nginqobe ngingene, because sometimes emakhaya abanye bebashiya isikhiye emnyango yabo. So ngicine ngifunda lento, ufake the newspaper ngaphansi, ufake i-newspaper bese uyasipusha isikhiya siwele phezulu kwale newspaper usdonsa yabo. Uthola ukuthi kusemakhaya these days ningi uthola ukuthi kune space between umnyango nale floor, so isikhiya sizowela phezulu kwe usdonse bese uyazivulela ungene endlini, and then mawungena endlini the first stop is fridge. Your fridge ngiqala ngikudla phela ngilambile from lapho ngatshontsha ama case amaningi, ngatshontsha I think boma 14 ama case otshwala ngiwakhipha from utshwala ngikhipha from a fridge.
How old were you at that time?
La ku 12 ngina 12 13 ama case ngiwakhipha efridge, ngiwakhipha amicala amabhiya ngiwakhipha efridge ngiwafake kunethi imvula ngaleso sikhathi. So that was the thing mina mostly bengitshontsha kamnandi makunethi imvula because abantu first bayala imvula yalalisana because bacine bathini mina ngisebenzisa umuthi and bengingasebenzisa umuthi bengena into bengenza just bengitargeta ngamalanga wemvula yabo. And then ezinye izinto hikho mina mase spirituality uzozo ezinye izinto ngicine ngiunderstand ukuthi ubang it's more spiritual, like kunento kuthiwa uyagcotshwa, like both kingdoms uyagcotshwa. That's why kunabantu abaspecialize ngobufebe. Uthola ukuthi umuntu wakhona once wangena la nanoma ningamazi nizozwa nizo attack ila ma thoughts lawo, like imizwa yashintsha, environment can change because lo muntu they carry that environment with them. Because spirits they take advantage. I'm opportunist. If when a certain thing they likely could be a spirit that will try to take over in below yako and then try to use you as an instrument to kuyenza. So even mawuqala kakhulu kuzoba nalo moya lo kungena ukuthi wena uhlezi ukupha ama ideas, uba an inventor of new evil ways sokwenza crime. You understand? Because ungeno ilo moya leni uthola ukuthi uzoba successful nanoma into engamake sense this abantu bazogcina abathi wena uyaloya thokuthi awuloyi mina bengingaloyi and then I was ngibe successful nale case le into yangibophisa ngiboshiswa abangani but mina ngishaya clean ngashaya ama 12 case I think 12 or 14 awakhipha slow akufake ama creatine thathi crate one ngiyikuke ngihamba the whole night ngathatha isikhathi sami ngayahambisa 12 case atshontsha imali silver ngathatha ama phone plus nokudla ngahamba then ngatshontsha nama CD into engilahlisile ama cassette kusasa isikhathi sama cassette ngathatha amanye ama cassette so le mjita lo bengikhontsha kubo kunomkhukhu oempty kubo so bengilala lapho so lo mjita lo wathatha la ma CD wayowadlala inibekane endawo nyana ngaphandle athengisa ama sweet so lo sisi lo umntana kubo udlule la weza kudlala lama cassette washo hayi man ama cassette la kadlala la ingoma sika bamiza uncane ingoma zikancane wethu le bahambe bayotshela usisi makafika asho ukuthi la ingoma lezi noma kungathiwa nimi kuphela phela nginale ngoma lezi babuze lo umjita athi uyithathe kimi so hiyo lento le yangibophisa so but abokhata mabafika bathola clean ayikho into abayitholile kimi bakhuthuza angifihlanga mina bengingafihli izinto la ngilala khona ngifihle elsewhere kwenye indawo and like emakhaya kunezindlu ezi-empty umuntu uhambile lese uChris soze la iJozi so bengifihle ezindlini zabantu ngiyazi lapha kunamuntu ngihambe ngiyofihla ingudla la enye ingudla ngihambe ngiyifihla kule yandlu leyana yabo so mina la ngilala khona akunenex engilinkana nento afike linye time le CID belasatshwa nje kule village ingishanga impama lisearch and the thing ukuthi dala ngine voice inyane soft dala ngibukeka innocent so nami le nto le I always knew ukuthi hence ngishilo ukuthi at one time ngiyengaba self conscious I knew ukuthi mina I don't look like utsotsi nani so I will always get away makufika iphoyisa lingibheke huye lo awu wena huye lo utsotsi bathi uya terrorize la bangikhuluma ngevoice nyana yamna like uyakhathala like vela phelelwa amandla ukuthi lentwana le like akakhola ukuthi lentwana le so akhutuza ngatholi next so Marlo sisilo abilayela dama lo fana lo huye abilayela organize umphakathi one Saturday organize umphakathi wamajida bangibamba futhi bangithola kwenye indawo etshwaleni bangibambe la angishaya joba ngikwazekela ngakwazwa huye lo sisilo bangikhumule ngibe nqunu angishaye macada kungishaya because of induku ngivume ngithi ya yime ngiyenzile athi okay simbophiseni afuna ivene amaphoyisa makufika ivene amaphoyisa kudala alibela attend ama case wami yabo like bekwama case ukuthi i-village incane so njengoba i-village mayincane mawenza into leyo nto le kuzogcina uba uwe uyi1 because I remember kunabafana abayi2 mangizwa before mina abayi2 and abasekho omunye usestud school omunye akasekho abe bastud so kuyaziwa ukuthi himi ostud so sometimes makuba ne case le bazothi bayangibopha thola ukuthi amaphoyisa ahluleka bafika bathole next because amaphoyisa akhuluma nge-evidence bazobuza why nithi huye but huye ostud bangiguduze bayenzeni bathi bayangishaya ngisho nkayo ngazi next mina so lo sisi lo makabiza lamaphoyisa mawafika athi yangibopha bathi ulo sibuye simlando lo sisi athi angeke sicela nimthatheni manje uzobaleka bangithathe ngiyoboshwa ngengene juvenile cell mangene juvenile cell ngene Sunday bekuyi Saturday kuzoba intathakuza Sunday ngingene and then the Monday ngihambe ngiye police station mangifika police station ngihambe nge court mangifika court i-prosecutor ingikhulumele ukuthi azini you are too young wena yabona and njengoba umncane angikwazi ukuprosecute yabo and then mina right there in his office ngamtshela straight phela mina ngiyaganga and then ngikangiswa ukuthi ngifuna ukudla that's my only way ukuthi ngisurvive and at that time mina my school everything isikolo bengisithanda like perfect bengingaphushwa bengiziyele esikolweni yabona so the prosecutor athi no I will give you i free bail ungawara angiphi free bail ngiphume same time angiplace ku social workers care sengimele ngattend into social worker azange ngiattende yabana zanke ngiattend ngiqhubeke ngama crime so long story short ngcine sengenzani my mom shows up into a picture remember my mom since ahambe sasemncane she shows up into a picture ayeze ngaleso sikhathi uhlala eKlerksdorp eKhuma eStelfontein and then afike athi uzongithatha ngizohlala naye ngihambe that was no 1999 I remember kahle makuzoba uDecember isikhathi setwalatha and then angithathe ngiyohlala naye sengiyohlala eKlerksdorp already sengistood like lokho ukuthi sengiphila crime into yami you understand like and angithathe mangifike eKhuma kula ngafike ngasiduka zonke lezi zinto lezi khona yabo fike ngistuke zonke lezi zinto because eKhuma kule location leyana kushawa igangsterism ngaphandle ntwana encane besishaya kunama camps ngaphandle like real life ngaphandle lo mntana lo ubusi khona lo ubusi uculayo ubusi and you be my superman bekahlala eKaslama 1 2 izindlu indlu esingakhi maybe 3 houses from where bengihlala khona uhlala eKhuma mawungacheka history yakhe uhlala eKhuma eStelfontein bekahlala same street la bengihlala ngakhona bekushawa igangsterism strong lapha yana so that's where I started now sengi-experimenta ngemimese olalong ngiyazitshontshela mfana uzitshontshelayo mfana wenzani mangifika lapha yana umama ngitshela la ungagana bazokushisa umphakathi unta and vela zanke ngigange empara.
But how was it meant to see your mama in such a long time and to connect with her? How was it?
Bekuyima mixed emotion because remember sengazi life. The thing about umntana usuke wazikhulela especially estradini too much. Uyaba hardened umntwana like uba partly bengijabulile umama at least for the first time nami ngizobona umama and then some of the things because issues angishaya ngaphakathi yabona but and then nokuthi at least now bekasebenza she'll take care of me because mina in my head I was more like ever since ngilibele ngiyasebenza yabona I have to work for everything I've been working la angishiye khona ngina 7 before sidla bemele kube hit esebenza bemele sahambe sotheza beat amabox or whatever sikwazi ukupheka yabona then my adoptive family bengidla because of ngiyasebenza as a shepherd boy you understand and then after like yabona so ngafila ngathi njoba kube kukhona umama maybe life ngizocala ngibe umntana yeah yabona for a first time but unfortunately makuba uJanuary ngoba ngifike around December makuvala ikolo 1999 makuzoba uJanuary abelungu bakhe bayahamba bayamovela eCape Town bekasebenzele ema-officeini so sekalahlekelwa umsebenzi makaqeda kulahlekelwa umsebenzi yonke into yavele yashintsha now yimi umama uhlala une boyfriend yakhe umunye ubhuti waseLesotho ayisebenza mama uye bekasebenza nobhuti wami lo mncane ongilamayo yabona and then manje sesi4 endlini akuna income qala inkathazo khona lapho kube abangani balobhuti lo ngoba abangani baseLesotho abantu amazamazama abantu nasemayini sengiba introduced ukutshontsha ama cable ke manje understand because bayenza lapha ngaseKhuma eStelfontein ucela amamayini kakhulu yabo so but yena bekahamba lo bhuti lo ahambe ayoyiqhaqha mina sengizoya sesoyi transport mele sibambe icable ende beba mabayinqamula bebayinde mabedlula le jar maybe becala le ethola ukuthi si3 yabona so ipakisha uhamba amamayini it's a long distance ground enkulu lapha yana kune light libeli yahamba ya patrol light yakhona mayizofika ngakini mele nilale phansi flat lale flat idlulele light manje hamba nokuzwa event maqhamuka event ukuthi la sizohamba khona singasendleleni qhamuka event mele silale wena kusemanzini wena kuphi niyalala flat xoxo lizokugibela uyalala flat lapho lidlula event sinini kuzoza amahash mele nilale regardless ukuthi nikuphi Chris wena kunokuyahlaba kunamahlabahlaba uyalala lapho nilale idlule leyo nto leyo until nize ukuhamba nje maybe sihambe 3 hours before sifika la Solandi cable khona ukuyithatha lapho I think sihambe the whole night because ngikhumbula mase sifika la ngase scrapyard bese kukhanya silibele sidonse cable ngala ngadumba ngamaso because sayikuka phela si3 and him umncane yena bese kamdala I think he was in his late 40s and then the other guy I think he was in his 30s and then mina I'm a teenager yabo. Okay, but iyatholakala imali uzoza angiphi 200 back then 2000 hayi imali eningi yabona 2000 I remember I even bought myself impahla yabona. So umama to angafuni ngenza icrime mela enzeni mela vume because silambile la endlini, and then kuya kuyisikhathi sokufika la ukuthi mase isimo seserafu la besihlala ngakhona bekuna indawo i-dustbin la itoro labana le itoro like ama supermarket ukudla ukuthi nikuphase i-data bebafike bakulahlela bazoza bazokudampa lapho ejardini bamina ngathi angeke mama bekaya nomfowethu bayodopa inyama bathatha inyama from a dustbin ama-dustbin phela kufika i-truck efika iyachitha la si-dustbin like dustbin lo la i-dustbin ukuthi all the trucks even naleka amasipala ifika ichithela lapho like umgodi nje omkhulu bangene lapho bafike bathathe inyama bafike endlini sifike sifake emanzini sipheke sifake too much garlic and too much onions ukuthi sidle. Mina leyo yavele yangishintsha le ngathi angeke phela we literally eating from the trash ngabona ukuthi azile because remember since ngifikile la ngibengaganga bese like I kind of felt ukuthi there's no use ngigange because angithi mama ukhona ireason ukuthi bengigaga bekuthi ngifuna ukudla so mama ukhona mama will take care of me but na akasakhona to take care of me so ngabona no ngeke ngikhone ngiphile kaso and then ngiyaqala ngibambe ijangele khona e-primary ngibambe ijangele and the way ngakhona mina angeke ngikuthuse angeke ngithi kuyo because mangizothi kuye ngizokwaza uzongithatha serious angeke ngithathe serious. Let's be honest. Mawufuna mawulwa nami bese ngithi hey faith sihlukana nami ngizokwaza angeke ngithathe serious. So the only like into a reasonable thing to do mele ngikhipha umese ngokwazi. That's the only way. Because angeke ngikuthusa angeke ngilibele ngithi ngizokwaza wena uzokushanga isitina wena angeke sembele ngikhipha umese ngokwazi. And then Leo that's when a journey I'm in terms of the indlela yobumnyama eyaqala khona because literally abantu abafair or abantu aba self conscious aba rough ibhamini ukusebenzisa isibhamu nomese they will tell you, they will attest or they will agree with me ukuthi mawukwazi umuntu it takes from you, like mawukwazi umuntu it changes you. Well yeah, it changes you like as soon as ukwazi umuntu you can literally feel wena ngaphakathi kwakho ukuthi ngathi some part of your soul is been taken. Yeah, hence kuna legama lele uba an empty soul, soulless I mean. Like ngathi it takes ubuntu ngaphakathi kwakho, and then hence so ibulala inembeza. The more kwazi umuntu the more bulala inembeza, and the more even the element of ubunhliziyo bumnyama iba ngaphakathi. Sayisho amajite estrateni ukuthi tema ngiceda kushintsha isibhamu ngamuthi twa ngezwe ukuthi manje inhliziyo yaba mnyama yabo ngaba mubi, like leyo nto like ukuthi as soon as you do it you can tell ukuthi there was a trade off. Something meaning there's a significance.
You will think, James, you're killing someone and you are a boss, but something inside of you that
monga mamela itori zama mafia inkabi zokutshela inkabi zokutshela ziswaye zihlezi zihamba inyanga zogeza zokutshela
they're trying to replace something.
Yeah, because they can tell ukuthi they are different, they've changed. Inene leyo nto le I'm just saying mina ngifunde masengifunda masengisindisiwe even nokushaya umuntu ngebhodlela, but the value here is in the blood. The Bible says the blood, I mean the life of every living thing is in the blood. And then remember Bible listen, the blood speaks. uJesu uNkulunkulu makhuluma ngoAdam and uCain and Abel at the Cain at the blood of your brother is crying from the ground.
It just shows the power of blood.
Yeah, like meaning ukuchithikazi it carries a lot of weight and spiritual significance, and but there are too much implications. You can't just spill the blood and then nothing happened. And then more especially when the person who does that, because you are the one who's doing an action layer. So I think my understanding now in a spirit sense, in the spirit realm, it's more like the one who's spilling the blood, who you are doing some, so in a sense you are doing a sacrifice, and that spilling of blood it attracts that particular spirit that facilitate or specialize maybe violence ithi ngibeke kanjalo violence you mess or violence yespam or whatever because mina immediately after lapho kugcina sekuba kungathi sengiba nama opportunities to even continue ngenze leyo nto le like kuzoyenzeka into ukuthi like umuntu akusukela umuntu makakusukela afuna ukungihlekisa ngami mina remember I was so sensitive about ubumina because already mina ngikhule ngazi ukuthi ngathi kuna something error so bengile ntwana le bengadlala most games azanke ngiwadlala because bengicatch ama feelings is angeke yazi bawudlala bumaludo or even namadice amajitana or even namakhataza ayalanzana ama out yeah uzala wena you shit yabona mina bengicatch ama feelings sesiyalwa into ukuthi yabo and leyo nto leyo igcine yenza ukuthi ukulwa ngizokugapa so thatha le class ngokugapa like umuntu la mangala
Is that serious?
umjita washaya umuntu ngeclass kanje amkape kanje ibhodlela mina ngafunda yabona icup even nebhodlela le empty lento la iphuki mawulibamba so umshaya umuntu ngendoni asayiphuki yakwazi ukuthi mawumshaya umshaka so like ayiphuke amani iphuke because awumshayi qing umshaya ngenduni like umka yamkapa umshaya umuntu achithe so leyo nto le icina and ngaleso sikhathi mina wazi nawe ukuthi kwenzakalani but what I'm trying to say is started the day ngiya eKhuma ngihlala eKhuma and then ngiba exposed to gangsterism and then the other into engikhohliwe umama because bese sengiyamquestiona manje ngiyambuza mawuledi kanti what happened why uye wangishiya phela ungishiye ngimncane lapha bavele wangishiya wahamba wangaphindi ubuye like awusacabanga ukuthi ushinqo yakhe encane like what happened and then maka narrate story zakhe bengazi understand beziziningi like benga understand ireason yakhe but one story esesahlala kimi ngishile mina kayi emuva na so maka narrate leso story uthi bekuyi room yakhe ngathi bekumkhukhu wakhe or room yakhe ngaphandle and then uthi makangena uthole indlu leyo indawo yakhe asithi umkhukhu wakhe usha uthola umkhukhu wakhe usha and ungishiye lapho uthi ungithole ngihlezi emlilweni ngisha ngingakhali uthi yena makangibheka wathi yo lengane ishile kanje ayikhali yo lengane nenhlizembe abo makasho leyo nto le usho leyo nto le already that was the time sengiphathi ijangele she doesn't know ngifunde primary ngiphathi ijangele and already sengikwazi abantu so makakhuluma kimi ivele ya confirm kwaba i confirmation ukuthi avele nginenhlizembe and already sengikwazi umuntu and mangiceda the time ngikwazi umuntu mina I felt ukuthi like I felt a change in me so yena bakazosho kimi athi oh lo thema ngembheka lo mntana lo ngathi lo mntana unenhlizembe so in me kwaba naleyo nto leyo kuyezwa that state like that automatic thing ukuthi oh kahle should that's why angishilo ungishiye ngibone nginenhlizembe maren vele kunenhlizembe ngiyazizwa ngiyazaza and vele ngiyazizwa ngiyezwa la estradini bahlezi phela bengiquiet ngiqala ukukhuluma kaso ngoba ngisidisiwe everyone la iSoweto ngikhuluma mase ngifika la iSoweto sinawan they will tell you abangani bami bengakhuluma I was that guy nje uthulile yabo ngakhuluma kakhulu they will always affirm that thing unenhlizembe wena and that's how ngesilungu kunalento ebizwa i-self concept and self concept it's more like your ideal of self it's a totality of your belief about yourself the way uzibona ngakhona within the self concept kunento ekuthiwa self perception the way uzibona ngakhona and within that self perception will influences your self image. The way the self-image is more now a serious thing. Okay, this is your self-image when I'm always born so, and then your self-image it will go down into it influence. It's like a layer. It influences your self-identity now. Okay, mina nginja ke sekuyi self-identity, and from a self-identity sekuba nento kuthiwa self-expression. Self-expression to what you believe you are, you want to do.
Yeah.
Ngoba mina ngikholelwa ukuthi nginenhliziyo mele ngiexpress, mele ngikwazi ufe, and then at that time I don't care. Because man, this is something it's deep game. It's something I'm willing to die for it. Like it's no longer it's something nenhliziyo mama washo ngisaseyincusa and bayasho wonke umuntu uyasho and remember that thing ingitholenge vulnerable because mina kufana nokuthi mina I was kune movie benge identify na I Beast of No Nations kunalentwana le I had no identity at the time kufana nokuthi I was trying to angikho grounded. No one will tell me because even like social structure, I wasn't integrated to social structure. So because I'm not integrated, ayikho into engikhona uku-identify nayo. So ngi-identify with my own thoughts, with my own feelings at most. And then so mase kufika lezi zinto lezi umama sika, that's where I kind of felt okay, this is the identity I want to assume. Ngifuna uku yeah nenhliziyo embi. You understand? And nevele the thing is mostly what you experience most, because all I experienced before was pain, Twan. Like I can't explain. Bengishawa to an extent even namanje joba ngimdala. At times ngijump yabona bochire nginokulala nabo mangikho maybe ngike ngahlala nabo, they will tell you ngiyajumpa like ebusuku ngiyathuka. And then into engithuka abanye bacabanga ukuthi maybe a crime, into engithuka ngithuka the way bengishawa ngakhona ngimncane, like at most khumbula bebanokungivusa ngempangixabule ngemvuphu bekuthi sabe ukuthi silele lo mama lo yana afike awena fathaka ngwana sifebe tsoga yabo. So leyo nto le igcine seyiba into ukuthi, and I think ngingayenza a bit of a study in terms of the child development stages, more especially the brain part. Ngizama uku understand because I had to do this for myself, try to understand myself, because I was so evil to an extent that kwamina nami like wabona mawufika udelela bengisho ukuthi ngathi ngakhuza Chris ngicela uvaye dog, ngicela uvaye, more especially mase ngiphatha ipapa bengathi ngakutshela ukuthi Chris ngicela uvaye dog because ngiyokushaya inhloko straight. But I will say that ngaphakathi kwami bengifila ngathi ngakutshela ukuthi ungayenzi because bengifikela ukuthi kuyabona like. And mase kule stage lesengcine ngifika kugcina seba passionate uba a passionate killer, a passionate like murderer, violent guy, meaning so
you also killed people. You also killed.
Ngingaboshela imayede. So
no, man, okay
just sharp.
Go back, just
okay.
Go back man.
Okay, now okay sengenza lapha sengi-experimenta ngamajangela ngithi before sase eTlexstop eKhuba lapho igangsterism kula ngifaka zona lezi zinto lezi because manje kula umama phela lapho kahle umama sengiyamzonda angifuni uqamba mina lento le ngayifaka ngathi le ithuna labazali bami mina kimi bekufana ukuthi bafile. I'm being honest, girlfriends bami ngijole nabayazi ukuthi ubaba bami nomama bami bafile yabo, bengisho lento le ukuthi ithuna labazali bami bafile and they were dead according to me yabo, ukuthi ayikho into bangenzela yona yini bake bangenzela yona, and then instead balethi pain bangilethe emhlabeni, the next thing bayangishiya, and then the next thing abasazi ngeni umama uyachubeka ngelife because yabo. So ngaba la leyo nto le fuck it yabo kanjalo kula kuphela already things. And the thing in things the point things ukuthi niyibone icala emangiceda kwazi umuntu ikhuma eStelfontein olalombe ngumntwana ukuthi ngistout ngiyakhuzeka. Okay. Ngimntwana ngiyakhuzeka.
Okay, I think we can close it where now you're starting to kill. Now uyabona ukuthi imagine ngumbulali ngiyabulala the first murder.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukuzimplicate phela ukuzincriminate. Okay, sharp.
Yeah.
Long story short ne sengiyasuka ngishiya umama nomfowethu from la eKhuma ngibuyela emakhaya la ngisuka khona la ngithi ngizalelwe khona.
What's the reason of leaving?
Ngicine leyo life leyo because remember sesidle dustbin manje. Umama sihamba sometimes before sidlamele socela abantu basenkonzweni ukudla, like we're living in poverty asina yabo, poverty ngicine ngibona no usisi wami le bekaphila kangcono, even kwamina the time ngingale emakhaya bengiphila kangcono, bengidla ukusalayo yabona. And la kuleso sikolo sasentobe singatholi bayibizana is feeding scheme, I'm not sure why yabo. So ngicine ngithi hayi bengiphila kangcono mina ngale awasebuli mina ngike ngazithengeli All Star neDikis ngathi hayi hey ngiyabashiya ngeke ngiphile. Ngaleso sikhathi remember sengikwazi senginenhliziyo embi like lokho ukuthi fuck it sengiyamzonda ngisamfuna sengistukile lento futhi le yabo, sengistukile enhlizweni yami.
Can you show it? No.
It's sort of ithuna, I don't know yabona ka. Yeah, it's a cross and then ineyitepisi ithuna yeah yabo so ngithi ayithuna labo okay sengiyabuyela emakhaya mangibuyele emakhaya ngigange and then bangibophe babangibopha umagistrate angitshela because dala ngilibele ngithola ama free bail sengibuyele back to a village angithi
ubuyela kubani
e-village sengibuyela kusisi wami lo sisi wami lo ngilandile kanarhe remember usisi wami huye my biological sister engimlama huye osuke wayo to fetch me back from my adoptive family remember yeah so ngibuyela khona lapho ngifike ngahlala nabo isikhathi nyane esincane from lapho obvious they put me away futhi sengikayela phansi ngiphile estradeni ngaganga mangiganga ngaboshwa mangiboshwa magistrate mangifika umagistrate asho straight hayi wena kudala ngikupha ama free bail this time around ngiyakhambisa ngizokuyisa Stout School and Stout School bengizwile istory ngathi Stout
School will start from your first day to Stout School
athini uzongisa akangisa athi uzongisa so mina ngenzeni ithe mangisuka lapho wangipha i-free bail wathi ngikupha the last free bail if you're not going to sort your life Thabiso I'm going to send you to Stout School ithe mangiphuma athi no hayi I know ukuthi angeke ngiphile without the crime I decided ukuthi ngapha umagistrate sekangiquphini mangiboshwa ngiya ku Stout School I decided you know what ngiyahamba ngishintshe life yami ngeSoweto athi hayi ngiyahamba ngeSoweto so that's when I came to Soweto ngazihambela angitshelanga usisi wami angitshelanga umuntu
uTatumaza Soweto
eSoweto ngazi irelative khabo babami bengimbiza uMagogo mara uMagogo ushate nobhuti kababami so abantwana bakhe in Zulu sitha their sisters no yeah sisters abo sisi bami so bake beza emshadweni beze khabo babami bona hibo who were interested in baye embrace to ubaba bayangazingene ezami remember ubaba makazingene ezami but ithe mabeza bona bese bazwile ukuthi ngikhona bangibiza ngeza bayenza so ngiyazi ukuthi bahlale Soweto sinawana angisazi Soweto angisazi sinawana ngakiwe okay ngatshontsha i-PlayStation i-TV game bekuyi TV game le yama Mario ngatshontsha i-TV game ngatshontsha i-camera bekuyi TV game ne-camera angisakhumbuli nani anginamali ngahayika ngihamba town mangifika etown ngafika ngathengisa this TV game ngizenayo la eSoweto bese idlala isinawana ngathengisa i-camera ngathola imali ngahayika ngeza la Dobsonville police station ngahlala boma I think 3 days la bengilala la eDobsonville police station because mangisuka ngize bengihamba ngihayika until abantu bangishiya ngafika eKrugerstop mangifika eKrugerstop ngalala epolice station mangilala epolice station was it Krugerstop yeah I think Krugerstop oh yeah ngilala eKrugerstop bangithatha ngalala epolice station the following day bangithatha bangidropa eRoadport mangifika eRoadport ngalala epolice station mangifika ngoba ngifika ebusuku eRoadport bayachayisa laba iskofa sasebusuku ngabo6 bayachayisa and then bangiyeke ngilale laba abachayisile bangibonile kusasa bafika bathi usasela and then mabangena mina ngiyahamba ngetown ngiyobutha ngiyotopa ukudla ngilambile phela sengigayolekile ngiyotopa umuntu makadla ngidle and then eventually ngicine ngasuka ngenyawo ngahamba straight angazi indlela bani le from Roadport ukufika la eDobsonville ngenyawo ngabuza abantu ukuthi ukuye Soweto kuphi bangibonise kunendlela inde nje yafizi
Elias Mutswane
yeah inde nje indlela khona bangitshela hamba so ngahamba ngaze ngafika le Dobsonville ngaleso sikhathi bekusane Shisanyama ngathi la opposite police station bekune Shisanyama yeah bengafike ngahlala lapha eShisanyama ngahlala ngidopa amathambo ngidle ngaye police station ngahlala for 3 days ngibele ngilala lapha epolice station until lenye iphoyisa la ngithatha ayongishiya eMoroka police station ngase Sinawan from police station Sinawan eMoroka ngabuza abantu ukuthi wesinawane bangibonisa ngihamba ngifuna ifamily kaSibeko kababami kaSibeko until ngize ngithola ifamily kaSibeko ukuthi kuphi okay ngathola kusekhaya sengiyafika kusekhaya okay sharp embracement sokuyifamily okay sengihlala la remember already sengikwazile senginukelwa igazi ngiyalazi igazi yabo and then crime vele into engiphile for the longest part so until now experimenta ngibha manje sokubanjwa inkunzi yabo that's where now yonke lento manje seyaqala
uzoyiqala nawo usuyaqala ufike eSoweto I think mafike eSoweto awunamngane how to get your friends
abangane
and back introduce kanjani we crime and stuff and guns
ufika unangakhe eSoweto
fana my age has been in because nginamagama nginama age ayi-2 nginama birthday ayi-2 so mina I always say kimi ngifike bengifunda grade 8 because the concept age umama mangitsheleyo le yang confuse but according to age yami le yase ID ebengiyazi bengina 13 14 according to my ID age.
So according to your mother unangaki?
According to my mom, the age young person at that time being 17.
I go with your mother.
Yeah, go with your mother.
Because the things that you were able to do at that particular time is like...
Because remember we took time scale late.
Yeah.
So,
and mangiti late. Late calculation ka mama because late according to my ID ngicale ngina 8 according to my ID. According to age ka mama ngina 11. So it's always that confusion in my head. Yeah,
namanje.
Yeah, because manje banale phela it's not angina closure. I can't really tell you ukuthi because umama some of the things bekazisho ngicene ngizingala ngingasafuna ukumamela. So ngicine mara ngiba leyo nto ukuthi ay age yami ijamile ay fuck it yabo. Yeah.
No,
So ngina age ayi-2 ngina birthday ayi-2.
No, brother, we'll see you on part 2 to continue with the story and to get to the part where you say like, hey, I'm leaving it all and I accept Jesus as King.
Okay.
So thank you so much. If you want part 2, just say that thing and say part 2. James, are we out or what?
We are.
We out.